don't care what you guys say, fall is here. I am in my nice cozy sweater. You know, I've got some nice kind of darker makeup going on. I've got my hair in a nice scrunchie, so fall is definitely here. I know it's still technically summer, but like, let's be honest, it's not really summer. So if you guys are new, my name's Tianna, and if you guys are returning, it is so nice to see you guys again. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be reviewing a product that I was sent. Now, you guys should know by now I'm always honest with things that I get sent. I'm just a very honest person, and I've been reviewing things for many years now. So if it works for me, it works for me, and if it just doesn't, it doesn't. Today I'm going to be reviewing some magnetic eyelashes from the brand Belle Chole. So Belle Chole also has different things. They don't just have eyelashes, they have makeup, they have jewelry, they have coats, they have shoes, swimwear, so they have a lot of different things. So today I'm going to be reviewing some magnetic eyelashes from the brand Belle Chole. They reached out to me, they wanted me to do a video, like a review tutorial, show you guys how they work and everything. And I just want to say right off the bat that these just really didn't fit my eyelashes that well. I'm gonna get into it more throughout the video, but I do want to say that they are good eyelashes. It's not for my eyes, I think is the best way to put it. The cute thing is the box here says wake up and makeup, and it says good morning. The packaging is really, really cute. It also comes with some little almost like tweezers, so you're able to put them onto your eyelashes, and then it also comes with a little card showing you how to do it. Now, personally for me, I found that using my fingers was a lot easier than using the magnetic applicator, just because I found that the applicator always gave me a hard time because the magnet on the lash would constantly get stuck to the applicator. So using my fingers for me was the best and easy way. You can also use tweezers, you can use the applicator. I would always just say do whatever is easiest for you. So here's the actual case here. They're so pretty. I'll show you guys like a little close-up, but I just think these are so cool how they're magnetic. So this is how I got them. I have been testing them out, I have been trying them, so they're not like exactly the same as when I got them. But this is the case here. It's like a magnet bottom, so all the eyelashes, little parts stay on it. So it says your top left, your top right, and then you have like your little bottom pieces. So the little ones clip on underneath of the big one, and then you're good to go. But the reason why I'm not like wearing them right now is because I wanted to talk about the size. I always have a hard time with eyelashes just because my eyes are very small. I can't trim them because of the magnets on the side of them. So because I can't really trim them, it's hard for me to wear them. Now, I can wear them, and I have worn them. I've worn them around the room. I was testing them out a lot. I was constantly putting them on, taking them off every like day and night, just so that I could see if there was a way that I could really wear these. And they're not heavy, they're not uncomfortable, they're very pretty. I do just wish that you could trim them, or they made them a little bit shorter maybe, or something like that. These are on sale right now for $22.99, and they are normally $49.99. They have 4 different kinds. They have double, demi, wispies, they have dramatic, natural, and sporty. I chose natural. They look really nice though. If they were the right length, they would be perfect for me. I've tried applying them so many different ways, so many different times, with mascara, without mascara, just to try to get them to work because of how pretty they looked, and they just really didn't. But that being said, the quality of them is still there because they've held up so long. The magnets of them are very nice. They are very comfortable to wear. So if you were looking for magnetic lashes, I would definitely say to try these out. If you have like a smaller length of eye and you need shorter eyelashes like the band, I would definitely try to get like the more natural ones. I think they said it was going to take about 10 to 20 business days to get here, and that's how long it did take. And they have very good customer service. So it's not that I don't like this product, it's really just that it did not work for me. But that being said, I would definitely try other things from them just because of the quality of these, because of I did like them. It's almost like if you were to order like a shirt and it just was not your size and it does not come in any size bigger or smaller. That's kind of just like how it is. So all in all, I have to say it didn't work for me, but they were nice lashes. So if you were interested in a pair of magnetic lashes, Belle Chole has them. They're pretty affordable because sometimes you get lashes and you go to like the drugstore and it's almost like the same price, and I find you can't wear eyelashes with glue all that many times. Not just that, I find it a lot easier to use the magnetic ones than it is to use ones with glue, in my opinion. So I'm going to link them down below so that you guys can go and check them out for yourselves, and make sure to let me know in the comments down below if you guys have ever tried magnetic lashes or if you guys just prefer lashes with the glue, and let me know if you ever run into the same problems that I do. Maybe you guys can share a tip or a trick with me on how to get these to work a little bit better. Sorry, I keep lying with the case, but let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have not already, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.